You have all you need within. Will you allow yourself to be quiet enough to listen? The new moon is a time to restore your soul, to relinquish the weight of that which no longer serves you, to find balance in light and dark, to breathe. Welcome to Coached by Nikki Dyer. So let's begin by doing just that. As you close down your eyes and find yourself in darkness like the moon, take a deep breath in and exhale as you feel the magnetic pull of the stars above centering you. Inhaling all the way into your lower belly. And exhale as each breath cycle guides you a little deeper still. Feel yourself connected with the breath, letting any thoughts or emotions pass through you. Feeling a little more relaxed each time you let the breath go. You don't have to do anything right now or be anything. You're just here. You are only here. Allow yourself to release even deeper still into relaxation. And as you listen to the gentle music playing in the background, I want you to also listen for the sound of your breath. You are here. You are only here. When there is a new moon around the closest point to Earth, it's known as a super new moon. Set between the sun and the Earth, a new moon is lost in the darkness of the sky and the sun's glare, yet there it sits. We trust in the universe's process to bring her light back to us. We trust in what we cannot see. And like the moon, there are cycles and times where we are left to sit in our own darkness, blindfolded to destiny and what comes next, until it's ready to be revealed. We trust in the universe's process to bring our light back to us. We trust in what we cannot see. The stars that fill the dark night sky are perfectly sequenced and spaced. Tiny freckles that remind us, even during the darkest moments of a cycle, when the moon is new and unseen, there is still illumination. There is still light. Life slowly illuminates what we need each day, bringing us to wholeness in cycles. An orchestrated performance of shadows and light in a comforting rhythm that bring you peace, clarity, transformation, and lessons. The moon is in no hurry, yet everything is accomplished. In the time between this new moon and the next full moon, I want you to focus on giving yourself permission to live here, to be present with all the variations of light illuminating throughout your life in the forms of experiences and moments. To see that the beauty is in the process, not the end result. To settle into the process of life, and to trust that, like the moon becoming full, everything will be accomplished in perfect timing. So take a final deep breath in. And as you exhale, let it all go. Surrender your fears and worries of the unknown to the darkness of the new moon. Turn them over to her. And as you do, feel a sense of tingles flooding throughout your body to represent peace. To know that things will always become illuminated with time is to hold all of the knowledge you will ever need. When you feel ready to begin this next cycle, open your eyes and return to the world around you. If you enjoyed this meditation, please subscribe and share it with someone you love. I release a new meditation every Wednesday.